Ever pondered the distinctive rhythms and lyrical prowess that make Zimbabwean music so unique and captivating? Today we delve into the heart of this mesmerizing genre, exploring the artistic differences between two of Zimbabwe's most renowned artists, Winky D and Holy 10. Winky D, often dubbed the King of Zim Dancehall, has been a prominent figure in the Zimbabwean music scene since the early 2000s. His music, deeply rooted in the dancehall genre, is characterized by pulsating beats and a distinct rhythmic flow that never fails to get listeners on their feet. Winky D's lyrics often touch on socio-political issues with a strong emphasis on the struggles and triumphs of everyday life in Zimbabwe. On the other hand, Holy 10, a rising star in the Zimbabwean hip-hop scene, brings a different flavor to the table. His style, while varied, leans more towards rap and hip-hop with a fusion of contemporary beats and traditional Zimbabwean sounds. Holy 10's lyricism is raw and real, offering a gritty, unfiltered perspective on life's harsh realities. While both artists share a common thread of narrating the Zimbabwean experience through music, their approaches differ significantly. Winky D's music, steeped in the dancehall tradition, is more upbeat and dance-oriented. His songs are anthems of resilience, designed to uplift and empower listeners through catchy hooks and infectious rhythms. In contrast, Holy 10's music, while just as impactful, is more introspective and thought-provoking. His songs, often layered with complex metaphors and vivid storytelling, prompt listeners to reflect on the world around them. His sound, a blend of modern hip-hop and traditional elements, offers a fresh, innovative take on Zimbabwean music. To sum up, both Winky D and Holy 10 are incredibly talented artists who have made significant contributions to the Zimbabwean music scene. However, their styles are notably different. Winky D, with his dancehall roots, creates music that is energetic and uplifting, while Holy 10, with his unique blend of hip-hop and traditional sounds, crafts songs that are introspective and thought-provoking. Despite their differences, both artists remain united in their mission to tell the Zimbabwean story through music, each in their distinct, captivating way. So, the next time you tune into some Zimbabwean music, remember, it's not just about the beats and the lyrics, it's about the stories these songs tell, the emotions they evoke, and the unique cultural tapestry they represent. Whether it's the dancehall rhythms of Winky D or the lyrical depth of Holy 10, Zimbabwean music offers a listening experience like no other. And with that, we wrap up our exploration of Winky D and Holy 10, two titans of Zimbabwean music. Remember, music isn't just a form of entertainment, it's a powerful medium for storytelling and cultural expression. So keep listening, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep enjoying the diverse sounds of Zimbabwean music.